We recognize you for coming to join us. We have just finished the meeting on the matters of Mount Kenya East. We have agreed that we come up with a statement, and this statement will be led. We are in agreement with this state in Tharaka-Nithi County. My name is Kindiki Mugambi. I'm the Member of Parliament of Bode Constituency, Meru County. Of Egembe, Ment South. Mr. Mr. Kalemba, the Member of Parliament of Runyazi. Eric Muchangi, Member of Parliament. Goshine Kirima, Member of Parliament, Ment Central. Dorothy Ikiala, nominated Member of Parliament from Meru County. Madam Dorothy Ikiala. Those are the members who form this group of elected legislatures of advancing the cause of our business as a legion.
By Mount Kenya East, that is Meru, Tharaka, Nithi, and Embu counties parliamentary group meeting. It is issued at Isaac Wharton Inn in Embu on this day of 9th September 2024. As the elected leaders from the Mount Kenya East region, we have met today, and after comprehensive deliberations, we have unanimously resolved to chart the way forward for the socio-economic development and political agenda of our people and the region as a bloc. Today's meeting is a crucial step in shaping our collective efforts to deliver the progress and growth that our constituents in Mount Kenya East deserve. The Mount Kenya East region consists of Embu, Tharaka-Nithi, and Meru counties. We take this opportunity to sincerely thank His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto for recently appointing 3 cabinet secretaries from our region, namely the Right Honorable Justin Muturi, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and Engineer Eric Mugai. These 3 appointments reflect the trust and recognition the President has placed on Mount Kenya East, and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve in the national leadership. We acknowledge the need for a strong linkage with the executive to fast-track our region priorities. Through collaboration and constant dialogue, we are confident that Mount Kenya East will progressively secure a stronger recognition in the national agenda. We wish to highlight some development projects that were initiated under the previous administration but are yet to be completed. These include critical road infrastructure, water projects, and electrification programs. These projects are vital to the prosperity and well-being of our people, and we urge the national government to prioritize their completion. Mount Kenya is old significant voting numbers, making us critical region in shaping the political and development direction of our country. I think it is important to repeat that. Mount Kenya is old significant voting numbers, making us a critical region in shaping the political and development direction of our country. Our voice and collective decision in the national matters cannot be assumed. As we continue to support and oversight the current government, we remind our leaders that our numbers matters. And we expect to see more development initiatives to reflect our contributions to the national vote. As a region, we have come of age and wish to henceforth canvass development matters affecting our people as a distinct entity. Our employment, we extend our deepest appreciation to His Excellency, the President William Ruto, for the many job opportunities already extended to our region. We further request that the future opportunities for employment to be extended to our people. As leaders, we remain committed to ensuring the development of Mount Kenya East. Our people deserve nothing less. As the registrators from Mount Kenya East, and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kithure Kindiki. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Thank you.
We want to thank you, members of the place for the state. That's our statement, and we are not going to add anything more than that.
No.